Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Previously, we looked at goalkeeping and some useful exercises to perfect your technique. Be sure to watch it if you haven't already.
Hi guys, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So today we are going to practice on goalkeeper part 2, that is dealing with the crosses. Very important. And let's progress. We have Mr. Dharmendra Babu with us as a assist me, and we'll hope you are definitely learning something about goalkeeper in part 1. So in progress to this, let's begin. Come on guys. Balls here, so same way. So see, have to go inside and cross the ball to the goalkeeper. Okay, start, and you try to collect. Good one. Good. Play the ball back. Good. Yes. Wow. Yeah, that's better. It will be little higher, it will be excellent then. Oh, fantastic. Yes, very nice. Okay. So see now, once the ball is there, the crossing, you have to take position little bit here in the middle of it and try to 1 yard there in between the 6-yard line and the goal line, and try to take this so you can see the view here as well as here. Understand? And then try to go for keeper or clear. Try to collect the ball at the highest moments. Okay? So this is all about, he has to position himself in the middle of the goal post, where he can go in front also as well as in the side and behind also, to collect the ball or clear the ball. So guys, I want good crosses. So you go slowly, but I want to he should get the high balls. अगर वो ground ball खेलेगा तो उसको नहीं मिलेगा. So go slowly. When he play the ball, go slow. Take there, look up, and then cross. Understand? Play. Yes. Now look up to the goalkeeper. Yes. Okay. This one also okay. Ground also okay. But high is better. Yes, look up. Ah, better, excellent, well done. Yes. Good one. Okay, very nice. Goalkeeper change. Yes. Yes, very good. So, stop. So, see, now you lost your concentration. Why? Because you are fumbling. So, you have to collect the ball and try to, how you are doing in the warm-up. You have to collect the ball, feel of it, and then move up. But if you fumble, your concentration will lose. Okay? And chances to concede the goal. Yes, play. Good. And moving out. Very good. Excellent. So this is all about part 1, that in this exercise we get the feel of them and then doing fantastic. And now we progress to another with attacker and defender. We'll see how they will do. Okay guys, now we'll progress to next part of this, dealing with the crosses by the goalkeeper. So we add 2 defenders. So it's very important for goalkeeper and defenders. They have to communicate in this, because many goals happen with the miscommunication between them. So we'll progress in that. Okay guys. So please cross. Excellent. Yes, very nice. Very good. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, well done. Very nice. Good. Okay. So you can see this is very, very important that goalkeeper has to communicate. It's a keeper. It means he is going to handle the cross, or if he say clear, then defender has to clear the ball. So its communication is very simple and very easy to understand for the betterment, so they will not concede goals. So guys, so defenders, you try to attack the ball and clear far and high, but we have practice. So I had a high and far, okay, and keeper also collect or clear. Okay, well done, very nice. Come on, good crosses guys, very nice. So take time, look up. Yeah, well done. Yes, very nice. And throw. Well done, good cross, Alan. Good one. Yes, well done, very nice. Okay, goalkeeper change.
Keeper!
Yes, very nice. Excellent. Well done. Very nice. Good one. Okay. Okay. Good cross. Well done. Very nice. So you can see that they are doing fantastic communication. So now we'll progress. So now we'll add 2 attackers. So it will be a game situation, and we'll see how they will handle it. Okay, guys. So Samuel and Uday, please come. And you 2 remain there for crosses. So now add 2 attackers. So now 2v2 and try to score, and you try to defend. Okay? Play! Yes, good try. Okay, wait. Wait for my signal, then they should be ready for it. Okay, so you have to go close to him. Yes, you have to go close to him. Yes, man-to-man marking like situation. And now stop. So you again. So you can see that in the game moment, goalkeeper's position is very, very important. Now, his position is not correct. He is stay inside. I said he has to middle of the ground, take 1 yards and stay far. So he can go here. If he remain here, it's very difficult him to come out for the punch or clear. But if he stay 1 yard away, he can see here, and is always extra advantage to collect or clear. Understand? So yeah, that's better. Play.
Yeah!
Good one. Clear. Oh, very nice. Well done. Very nice, Shakti. Well done. Very nice. So you can see that when you clear, you have an option. So clear the ball here, there, or behind. First option in front, then sideways and behind. Okay. Well done. Very nice. Play. Good. Yes, very nice. And now stop. So now we come to the final part. Now it's very important. Once you clear the ball, so goalkeeper has to communicate, push up, and you have to move up. Understand? Because again, maybe they will get chance to shoot or cross. So I have to block that cross and shot. Understand? So after clear the ball, goalkeeper has to say push up, and you have to move up. Okay? So guys, this is very important that once you clear the ball, you remain there itself. So it's advantage for the attackers, so they can shoot again. But if you push up and then opponents get the ball, you block that shot or block that cross again. So you have to move up and push up and move up to block that. Okay? Play!
Keeper!
Yes, very good. Yes, move up. Hello.
Up.
Yes, move up. And then throw. Yes, very nice. Wait for my signal. Now go back to your place. Go back to your place. Yes, excellent. Very good, goalkeeper. So you have to run and throw the ball. Say push up. Okay? Yep. Play.
Keeper.
Yes.
Up.
Alan, go slowly. Stop भी कर सकता है. It should be good cross. Why in a hurry? आराम से. Play. So go slowly. Look up. Yes. Yeah, well done. Very nice. Well done. Fantastic. Yes, very good. Okay, goalkeeper change. Well done, Mani. Play. Yes, slowly. Oh, fantastic. Yes.
Keeper.
Very good. Yes, very good. Team up, nahi, push up. Yes, very good. Now you go close to him, man-to-man marking. Yes. Play, Dharmendra ji. Yes, good.
Push up.
Yes, very nice. Continue. So you can see it's very difficult to score them now in crossing situation, because if you perfectly man-to-man marking, proper communication with the defenders, it will help you to become better goalkeeper and avoid goals for your team. So this is all about goalkeeping part 2, guys. So hope you are learning and enjoying. So keep watching many times so you will understand, and keep practicing. It's all about practicing. If you practice, you will become better and better goalkeeper. And please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and hope you are getting a good input from us, and we keep doing in the future as well. So thank you very much for now.